Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make split screen on my any iPhone. Simply just open settings, scroll down, but not showing it to exactly provide iPhone to set split option. So you just use third-party apps. Open App Store, go to search option, search that to split screen. Recommend you just install these apps. So these apps totally free and 100% safe. Press on to install. I am already installed this. Press on to open. Okay, showing it to or search or type any URL like open to another. Now make it to split screen.